What could be better than a Wolfwise Privacy tent? The new and improved Wolfwise Privacy tent. We've been using this Wolfwise Privacy tent for over a year, and we love it. We recently released a video showing our shower system, but we didn't show our privacy tent. Shortly thereafter, Wolfwise reached out to us and asked us to try out the new tent that you see here, which is the Blazers A20. Well, let's take a look at the features and see why this is the best budget privacy tent on the market. Starting from the top, it has a removable rainfly. This allows shade and ventilation to the tent. The height inside is just under 6 feet 3 inches. I'm 5'8", so I fit very easily. They've also added an additional side window to help with ventilation and provide different ways to route your shower wand, or in some cases bail someone out of a tight pinch. The best addition is the optional bottom mat, which keeps your feet out of the dirt and clean. Just under 4 feet square, rinses off quickly after use. Inside, they added a silver coating blocking up to 98% of harmful UV rays. The material is made of a UPF 50+ water repellent polyester with taped seams to keep the inside dry. Also included are 4 fixed ropes and 8 tent stakes to secure the tent even with windy conditions. They also have a built-in storage bag to hold personal belongings like cell phones, shampoo, and flashlights if you'll be a while. There's also a clothesline for hanging clothes, towels, or washcloth. The privacy tent folds quickly and fits into the included carrying case. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it can easily be carried to the remote spot for your memorable game watching. It's a perfect shower tent, toilet tent, dressing tent. Use it out in the field for game photography. Keep your chairs, firewood, generator, and even your best friend dry. And for the surfers out there, use this to change in and out of your wetsuit without receiving a citation. Thanks again to Wolfwise for sponsoring this video. Please hit that link in the description below to order your own awesome privacy tent. It'd mean a lot to us, and it also helps support our channel. Also, be sure to check out their other outdoor gear on their website, and hopefully we'll be doing a review of some of those products in upcoming videos. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, it's free. Smash that like button and ring that notification bell. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you, and keep watching. I almost forgot to show you how to fold it up. Watch. It goes nice and neat back in the bag.